So you got a wireless microphone and you cannot seem to figure out how to get it to work on your phone. Come closer. So today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of your wireless microphone not working on your phone, because this was also my case. So before you go ahead to call that vendor a scam, watch this video till the end, because the third step is actually the game changer. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Do well to like this video, drop a comment and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. So let's proceed to the business of the day. The first thing you want to do is check your phone settings and make sure that OTG on the go is turned on. If you don't know how to do that, you can go online and search on Google how to turn on the OTG for your phone model or for your particular Android phone or iPhone or whatever phone you might be using. Now the number 2 step is to use the code *#0808# and select MP and click on OK. That's the number 2 step. Number 3 step is actually the game changer. It was the only step that worked for me for my phone. Now, this number 3 step is to download a third-party camera, which is the open camera. I'm going to attach a picture so that you can see what it looks like. All you have to do is go to your Play Store and download the open camera, and after downloading the open camera, go to the settings of the open camera and select your mic to external. Simple. And try out your microphone and you see that it will work. Now this is how you can access the open camera. Go to your Play Store and search open camera. Now the open camera is going to pop up, and then if you don't have the open camera already, you just click on install. For me, I already have the open camera installed, so it's already showing installed for me. As you can see, it is already showing installed, so I'll just go ahead now to click on open. Now this is what the open camera looks like. The camera is already installed on my phone and it's open right now. So I'll just click on the settings icon at the top right hand corner and then go to video settings. When you click on video settings, you scroll down a bit to audio setup. So audio source, I mean. So you click on this place that says audio source. And when you click on audio source, a list pops up, and then from that list you'll see different options. Now the option we are going to be choosing is external mic if present. You can see different options: camcorder, external mic if present, default audio source, optimized for video calls, optimized for voice recognition, unprocessed. But we are choosing external mic if present because we want to use our microphone. So choose that option. I really hope that this will be helpful for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, bye.